This week in Hoy, Wisconsin Today, we celebrate Mother's Day with Nava Mirage Belly Dancers.
I belly dance because it makes me happy. It's a great way to exercise.
I love belly dance because this right here happens to be my mom.
And has also brought a whole new perspective on art and music.
And she would dance to the music, and all of a sudden she'd move a muscle group, and I'm like, oh, how did you do that? And she said, you'll figure it out someday.
The beautiful voice of Thais, she shares her goals and her dreams.
Así que corre, 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 corazón. De los dos tú siempre fuiste el más veloz.
We also have the special visit of the mariachi.
A mi madre querida, yo le canto.
Also, we remember a community leader that fought strong with her battle against breast cancer. And our cameras travel to Milwaukee, where we interview a TV and video production student. She shares with us her journey to graduation and much more.
It's a lot of risks that you have to take. It's a lot of time management.
Stay tuned for the week full of surprises in Hoy, Wisconsin Today.
Otra caminata en la ciudad de Appleton, Wisconsin, por el autismo.